What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark back with another video. In this video, I will be going over how I made 19K, alright, trading GBPUSD in one day. If you're new to this channel, make sure to go ahead and subscribe. Also, click that notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. Alright, guys, so as you can see, man, very simple trade here, man. Easy trade. Alright. One of my favorite patterns of all time, y'all, like real talk, is the reverse head and shoulders and the head and shoulders. I like M's and W's as well, but guys, the head and shoulders, alright, reverse head and shoulders or regular head and shoulders, it just really never failed me. Alright, look at that. You can also grab this tool in your trading view. Alright, look at that, guys. Alright, it's not gonna be perfect, you get what I'm saying, but you know it's there. I can spot these patterns from a mile away. Alright, and it's just how I trade. Simple. I look for patterns, alright, and I'm able to hold it. This could be a TP area, but this is the 15-minute time frame. If we go to the 4-hour, guys, I am looking for, all right, let's zoom in a little bit so we can see. All right, I'm finna put my results on the screen too, guys. Right now I'm still floating. My regular live account, I'm up 1,500. All right, I also took a USD CAD sale. So guys, remember, like I told you guys in my last video, if you was paying attention, if GBPUSD is buying, USD CAD is selling. Alright, so I caught this sale as well. Alright, on my live account I'm up 1,500. On my funding account, alright, on my funding account I am up 19. It's floating right now. Right now I'm just looking to hold GBPUSD. Alright, this is USD CAD, alright, and I'm gonna talk about what happened a little bit this week, alright, in general. Alright, so what I'm looking for, and let me show you guys the transparency. Alright, this is my Discord group. This is what I sent out yesterday at 10:13. Alright, I sent this markup out at 10:13. Got in right here a little early on Wednesday. Alright, as you can see, I was looking for price to come back up right here, but it was a little bit too high. All right, so I should have been a little bit more patient, but instead, like I say, I entered a buy here. Once again, this is still not far from here, so you shouldn't have lost that much money. All right, my stop loss from here was only 18 pips. All right, and this was Wednesday. All right, USD CAD took forever to drop. All right, took forever to drop as well. Lost a couple bucks on USD CAD. GBPUSD ended up coming back up for me. This was the markup, like I said, before it happened. This is what happened, you know what I'm saying, after the markup. Alright, I even sent out a buy limit, guys, that smacked, you know what I'm saying, right here on this right shoulder. Alright, so you got the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder. I sent out a buy limit right around this area. Alright, buy limit right around this area. It tapped the buy limit. Stop loss was under the head. Alright, just in case it wanted to keep selling. Price was being weird literally all week. Been waiting for this buy. So guys, yeah, I entered right here. And it just shot all the way up. No drawdown. Alright, no drawdown on this trade whatsoever. And that how that went. Alright. US 30 was the same way this morning. Caught US 30. Kinda was the same exact markup, alright, as GBPUSD if you look at it. It really was. Shoulder, head, shoulder. But with indices, it's not gonna be like perfect or for you to really see it like that. You just gotta really have an eye for it. I most definitely had an eye for it. All right, So this is US30. This is what US30 ended up doing. All right. Now what you're looking at right here is the cash out indicator. It gave you the buy US30, TP, the entry, and the stop loss. All right. Same thing with GBPUSD. Gave us the buy on the head and gave us another buy on this last shoulder. All right. I did not place a buy here because it was the same day I took this loss, so I was just waiting. All right, letting it do what it do. Let it came back down, finish this last shoulder, and I bought here. And this picture isn't updated, but this was the last one I sent out. TP1 and TP2 most definitely was smashed. All right, but let's go back to this right here. Look at this, guys. I'm looking for this to break this resistance. All right, you got a lot of buying momentum. Has a lot of buying momentum. All right, okay, a lot of buying momentum. Now, where could it potentially go, y'all? All right, I'm just holding this trade here. All right, it can go here. It's another, look at this, another 35 pips. All right, another 35 pips when it do what it's supposed to do. All right, simple. Like I say, me personally, y'all, I'm like really falling in love with holding trades for hours and days, you know what I'm saying, period of time. I'm in love with the move, not the money. All right, so I just want to say, when you are a Forex trader and you focusing just strictly on the money, you're gonna lose way more often. All right, because like I say, this entry that I took was a bad entry for the buy. I really didn't see this head and shoulders forming until yesterday. All right, when I took this buy, I seen a W forming, but I should have known it wasn't ready yet because we still had this down here to the left to go grab. So I should have been patient, but my loss wasn't that bad. All right, and when I lose in the market, I know how to go back, correct my mistakes, and make profit. You know what I'm saying? Make that back. It's easy. All right, I'm not somebody who finna lose in the market, be all sad and, you know, ready to quit Forex trading or don't take the next trade. Guys, I come to the market every single day and I show up and I do the same thing. I look for the same patterns. I look for the same setups. All right, like right here, just by me looking at this chart, guys, right here. All right, I don't know if you guys remember my last video. I told you guys that GBPUSD was going to sell. All right, it went for like 100 pips all the way down. All right, but look at this: shoulder, head, shoulder, drop. All right, right here you got what you got right here. All right, just so you guys can see. All right, just so you guys can see. Look, super duper simple. You got the head and shoulders right here, and then you got reverse head and shoulders right here. So it's coming right back up. All right, coming right back up. And it do it all the time. All right, just do it all the time. I'm not really a fan of scalping, all right, anymore. Other than like in the morning, the opening of like US30. I used to be kind of afraid of US30, but it is most definitely way more predictable than NAS 100. You can make money so fast that you will get addicted, and then you can lose money so fast to the point where you don't try to make back what you lost, you know, just by trading indices in general. But yeah, guys, I had to wake up, y'all, and really got to understand with these regular pairs, y'all, these moves be so clear. All right, how many pips was this? All right, let's see. All right, 105 pips. All right, 105 pips in one day. All right, do you know what you can do with 105 pips? You know what I'm saying? Do you know what you can do with 105 pips? All right, versus going to an indice and trying to just catch one candle and get in and get out and running up, you know, trying to run up a bag off of scalping when you can just place a trade and be cool, calm, collect. Guys, I went to sleep on this trade. That's how comfortable I was with this trade. I took the trade, I set my stop loss. I knew how much money I wanted to risk on this trade. With regular pairs, I know how much money I want to risk to gain, alright? And it be so simple, alright? It be so simple. The only thing is, you can't control news, alright? And most people thought that, oh man, this right here, man, this is crazy. Keep buying. I'm finna get out. It's this, it's that. Guys, all it was doing was forming the pattern. Alright? Look at it now. Look at it. Look at it. She's doing what she's supposed to do. It's just a lot of times as Forex traders, we are not patient enough. Alright? So you over leverage and you lose way more than you intend. So when the setup do come, you can't trade it because you don't have the capital, or you just don't want to take it no more because you feel like it's gonna, you know, it's gonna go back, it's gonna go against you again. But yeah, guys, that's how I did it. All right, USD CAD dropping, GBPUSD buying. All right, favorite pair. So if you like this type of content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Other than that,